Hi, it's Steve from Thor Motor Coach, and when you are out there on the road, are you one of those who loves to cook? I am in that boat. I love to just make my own meals. I know what I'm getting. I can cook when I want. And the kitchen in the brand new 2024 Luminate DD35 is something spectacular. There are a lot of other great features in here as well. So let's go ahead and show you around the DD35. Here we are inside an absolutely tremendous floor plan. Great seating. I love this split kitchen, king size bed in the back. We are going to walk through all of this and we are going to start with our seating options. First, let's talk about our dream dinette. You're going to have seat belts here for the ride. There's a child safety tether built in. You can seat 4 here. You have storage below, cup holders for the ride, wireless charging built in, and this makes into a bed. You're going to move the cushions, flip the handle under the table, push down, slide the cushions in place. Sleeping area right here in the dream dinette. Standard theater seating. Who doesn't love the theater seats, right? Sit here, kick back, put your feet up. Cup holders, you have a nice storage cubby in between the seats there. Now, if you need more sleeping options, you can option in a sofa. That is going to give you sleeping for 7. And right up front, we have the Project 2000 drop-down overhead bunk. One of the great things about the theater seats is they are right across from the smart TV. Couple of great options here with the smart TV. One, all your streaming apps are built right into the remote. We have Prime Video, there's Netflix, DirecTV, Peacock, whatever you want, you press the button and it will pop up on the TV. And because Luminate has the WineGuard Connect 2.0 4G hotspot and Wi-Fi extender, you can create your own safe, secure hotspot no matter where you happen to travel. So stream all your favorite movies, shows, sports, whatever it is, binge watch on your trip. I want to point out the decor in here. This is called Silversmith with the Baymont woodwork. Looks absolutely beautiful all throughout the coach as we make our way into this kitchen. My absolute favorite feature in this DD35. What do you say we start right over here? You're going to have nice counter space over here. Double bowl stainless steel sink. Nice roller cover so you can, if you like to cook and you like to wash up and clean up as you go, this is going to be a great setup because you can wash up, you can let the dishes dry, and then store them in these cabinets. Massive amount of storage in here for dishes, snacks, use it as a little spice rack, whatever you want. Over on this side, solid surface countertops, by the way, storage below. Over to our cooking area. What I love about this setup here is the options you have. We have a 3-burner gas cooktop. We have the oven down here. We also have a microwave right up top. So whatever you need to cook, you can do right here in your Luminate. This is a convection microwave, by the way. Plenty of counter space, again, solid surface countertops, a lot of storage down below, a lot of storage up above, but you can fit all your appliances here. And if you're thinking, well, where am I gonna keep even more appliances? Wait until we get back to the pantry. This is absolutely massive. The last piece of the kitchen puzzle is this residential refrigerator. You have a freezer and a fridge, and we talked about all those extra appliances. Check out the size of this pantry. We have this loaded with a blender and a food processor and a mixer and a popcorn maker and a toaster. Large cabinets here, a pantry, extra storage. Absolutely perfect for whatever you need to bring along on your Luminate adventures. Heading into the bathroom here, a nice midship bath, and this has the perfect combination of space and privacy that you need when you are out on the road. You're gonna have a lot of storage down below here. You do have a couple of cabinets, medicine cabinet, sink, a lot of counter space. There is storage up over here to the left. You have a printed shower surround in here, and this has tankless hot water, so everybody gets a hot shower. Hooks on the door for towels and robes. An absolutely wonderful bathroom on the go. Working into the bedroom on the way. We're using this as a large closet right now, but this also has washer dryer prep. So if you'd like to add a washer and dryer, this is where you are going to put this in. And into the bedroom, super setup back here. I love the way this is set up. You have a king size bed, 1, 2, 3, 4 cabinets up above, nightstands, great sleeping, and then all the room in between to make your way over to the closet. Large closet up here. You have plenty of room up top. a lot of drawers down below, and then finally, would you check this out? I wish I had a fireplace in my bedroom. There's a remote for this, so you can set the mood, use this as a space heater on those chilly mornings, a fireplace in the bedroom, an absolutely wonderful feature of the DD35. TV back here as well. You have a dresser top up here, USB charging ports, and 110. So everything you need for living, whether you are going on long weekends or you are full-timing, this is a great way to do it, and it is an excellent drive as well. So let's head up to the cockpit and get this out on the road. Here we are in the cockpit, and you say, well, that chair isn't straight. How am I gonna drive like that? You're not. You're actually going to have this spun around along with your passenger chair. There's a pedestal table that goes right here, and this is a great spot to maybe do some work, maybe have coffee in the morning. Then when you're done, that large closet in the back we showed you, the table and the leg store in there, and then this swivels right around, locks into place, and you are ready for a drive. So let's take a quick spin through this dashboard. Working from left to right, we have our coffee ready to go in the cup holder, heated remote mirrors. The mirrors also have built-in cameras that when you turn your directional on, the image is going to show up in the infotainment center right here. There's also blind spot detection, which is wonderful when you are piloting a 37-foot long motorhome. Controls for your one-touch leveling jacks are here. Remember, engine on and your parking brake set as you level. Up here, a place to set your phone, and there are USB charging ports here as well. A switch for your fog lights, a switch for your emergency start, auto headlights down here, over to our gauge cluster and our steering wheel controls. The buttons over here on the left side control your menu settings such as trip meters, miles per gallon, maintenance reminders, that sort of information. Cruise control is down below. The pad over here on the right side is for Bluetooth calls, volume for the radio, and you can also pull up the side view or backup cameras with the touch of a button. This is a 6-speed transmission right here with a tow haul mode and a manual mode, and that is tied into a 7.3 liter V8, 335 horsepower, 468 pound-feet of torque. A lot of power when you put the hammer down on this Luminate. Over here, a switch for your sunshade, cabin light, generator start, driver's fan, and your passenger fan. Infotainment center right here has everything you need. Your radio, Sirius XM satellite radio, Android Auto, and Apple CarPlay. You can hardline your phone in down below, then you can use the RV-specific navigation of your choice. Climate controls, charging ports, hazard lights, traction control switch right here, even another place to set your phone. A lot of storage down here, which is wonderful to keep you organized on those trips, so you can set your maps and your guides here. More drinks, sunglasses, even a place here if you want to take notes, keep the pad here, or better yet, for the passenger, you're going to love this feature. How about this flip-out dash workstation? You have power down below, 110 plugs. That is going to be powered by the 1800 watt inverter when you are on the road. You also have 12 volt ports. That folds out when you're driving, do a little work there. You can fold it out, fold it in, but it is a wonderful place to get stuff done. If you like the social media and you like to follow all the Thor Motor Coach channels, you can do it right from there. And don't forget, you can connect to the WineGuard Connect 2.0 4G hotspot and Wi-Fi extender. I want to head back to the leveling jacks real quick because we are going to take and put these up and head back to Rapid Camp Plus to show you how to set up camp. So when you're setting up camp, this is going to be your best friend. This is Rapid Camp Plus. We are going to give you just a quick walkthrough of all of the features. You can control your lighting from here, all the lights inside and outside the coach. You can start your generator from here. You can check the battery level, check your solar charging, 300 watts of solar on the Luminate. Set your climate from here, vents and fans. Slides, we're going to put these in just a moment for you before we head out. There's a diagnostic settings. You can go in and control the settings button. This is where you're going to connect to the app. And if you'd like to go from Celsius to Fahrenheit, you can do that from here. It's going to show you the exact floor plan. You can connect to the mobile app. That is going to be VegaTouch Eclipse. So that means you have total control of your Luminate anywhere in the United States, Canada, and Mexico with the Eclipse app. And then finally, our tank levels. Fresh, gray, black, and propane. You can turn on your water pump from here, but this is where you are going to check all your tank levels, and it is really easy to take care of all of the plumbing on your Luminate. So we're gonna put in the walls, head outside, and walk around the exterior of the DD35. And here we find ourselves on the business end of the Luminate. We'll start in the wet bay. 50 gallons of fresh water on board. You have a 40-gallon gray tank and a 40-gallon black tank. You also have a macerating system. Exterior shower, real easy to use. This is going to be a 50 amp coach. Your cable connection is over here. City water connection is right here, and we will show you where your freshwater fill is as we head over to the other side. I want to talk about all the storage we have on this Luminate, 95 cubic feet. A lot of great bays. You have a little pass-through. A couple of items in here just to show you the size, from wakeboards to golf bags. You can really fit anything you need in here. This is going to be your 5,500 watt generator. So this is going to power your entire Luminate when you don't have access to electricity, if you're boondocking or you're dry camping, if you're staying at a Harvest Host location. 80 gallons of fuel here and a nice bay here. You can store your power cord in here. Maybe you want to take and put all of your plumbing items in a bin and store those in here as well. 22.5-inch tires on this, so you're going to get a nice ride. Out back, we have our one-piece fiberglass rear cap. Down below, our 8,000-pound hitch. It is your gross combined weight rating minus your GVW. That is how you're going to come up with what you can actually tow. 7-pin connector down here. Ladder leading up to your roof. That is a one-piece TPO roof. Your solar panels are also up there. Remember, 300 watts of solar, and you have 2 AC units on this. As we talk about our roof, let's talk about how this is built. That is a welded tubular aluminum roof. You have a welded tubular steel floor, sidewall cage construction on the walls here. These are vacuum bonded and laminated. There is block foam insulation, and then we put this beautiful paint on here. This is full body paint. This is called Granite Dust, one of the many beautiful colors you can get your Luminate in. We got everything set up, open, and ready to roll over here on our campsite. A lot of fun to be had over here, along with a lot more storage. You can see we have a number of bays. We got the camping chairs thrown in here. What's great about the Luminate is you have an exterior propane connection right here, right next to your propane tank. So if you want to hook up a grill or a griddle, have at it and cook the night away. A little outdoor barbecue action for you. Exterior TV. So if you want to catch a movie, turn this into a drive-in late at night while you're out here in the middle of nowhere. Just take these chairs, flip them around, and now the movie world is yours, and you don't have to shush anyone. And if there's a little too much sun beating down on you, or it's even reflecting off the TV, don't worry, the Luminate has a power patio awning you can put out using Rapid Camp Plus from inside or using the mobile app. Another large storage bay. We have a cooler down there. Batteries and breakers in this bay, along with our pet tie-down link. So if you travel with your pets, you can hook the leash right up there and know they are not going to wander away from camp. A couple of 110 outlets here. Right here is where you're going to fill that 50-gallon fresh water tank, and below, another one of those very large storage bays. Again, we have the golf clubs in here just to kind of give you an idea of the size and the amount of storage you have on the DD35, the newest floor plan in the Luminate family. An absolutely fantastic way to travel. When you are ready to learn more about it and build your own, head on over to thormotorcoach.com.